What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinity Shantae if you are new, and today I'm bringing you guys a little mini vlog. I'm supposed to be getting my nails done today. As you can see, I have lost a nail, so we're about to get those done today. I don't know what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to bring y'all with me just to see what we're going to decide to do with my nails. But right now, it's 11:50, and my sister just called me talking about that she was hungry. So I decided to come over here and get something to eat with her. We're about to get some hibachi, so I'm excited about that because I'm hungry. I didn't have breakfast today, so about to get something to eat. And I don't know, we might go to a few stores afterwards, but I have to get my nails done. I can't be walking around like this. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I don't know, I might go to a few other places, but I just want to bring y'all along with me. Stay tuned. Alright, so me and my sister, we just finished eating. It was alright. I don't know, I just felt like maybe I just didn't want that. I probably should have suggested, well, I didn't even suggest the restaurant, she did, but I told her, I was just like, I really wanted Olive Garden, but she was like, you should have said something. But I knew she wanted hibachi, so I just, went along with it. But now I'm about to head to get my eyebrows done. I know I was supposed to get my nails done, but I'm going right after this. Hopefully, they're not too busy in the nail salon, but I don't know, we'll see. It's 1 o'clock now. But I just gotta prepare myself. Does anybody else have to prepare themselves to get their eyebrows threaded? Like, oh my god, like sometimes this is the worst freaking pain. So I'm getting my eyebrows threaded, and then I'm getting my my lip wax. So I have to prepare myself, y'all, because this doggone pain be something else, okay? But my eyebrows look so bad. Like, I probably shouldn't wait it this long, but this is how my eyebrows are looking. Yeah, they look so freaking, look at it. Oh, okay. So that's the before, so I'll come back with y'all with the after. Okay, so I'm a little red on my lip because, of course, like I told y'all, I got my lip wax, but yes, like, it's all clean. And here are my eyebrows now. Just a little cleanup. So, yes. My face is still red, but y'all know how that goes. But now I'm about to head to the nail salon to get these nails done. So this is how they look before. I broke one, so I gotta get that repaired. I'm just getting a fill-in. So yeah, it was, I don't know, it seemed like the color faded because it wasn't this light. I actually like this color better, but we're gonna change the color and get a feel. Let's head to the nail salon. that is the end of this video. Thank y'all so much for being with me while I get my eyebrows done and my nails done. I hope y'all like my nails. I definitely do. It gives me a little nude and glam at the same time. But if this is your first time watching me, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. And don't forget to stay beautiful. Bye.